What is going on, everybody? My name is Connor McDonald. I'm back with another IAC Go Visual tutorial. Today, we're talking about adding multiple shipping addresses to your account. All right, we're going to start here on the login page of the IAC Go Visual platform. As you can see, I've already entered in all of my information, and all I need to do now is press the login button. Once I'm logged in, I'll be taken back to the home page, and what I need to do now to access my shipping addresses is go up to the top right corner where it says My Account and click on that. You'll then be taken into your account where you can change your profile and your password. What we're looking to do in this video though is change the address. As you can see, there's already a primary address associated with this account. However, we're looking to add a new address as we may require products to be shipped to different addresses in the future. To do this, we're going to go into the top right corner and click Add New Address. You'll then be taken to a page where there are a bunch of form fields for you to fill out. Some that are required, some that are not. We again, please ask you to fill out as much information as possible to help us along the way. I'm going to skip this step and fill out the information so you don't have to watch that boring part. As you can see, I've filled out all the information required on this form field. I'm now going to save the address by clicking the button in the bottom right corner. I now have two addresses assigned to my account. You can decide to make either one your primary address. However, you do have the option to send products to multiple addresses, which we will get to in another instructional video. If you have any other questions regarding the IAC Go Visual platform, please check out our other tutorial videos or contact us using the information below.